When it comes to oil, Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro talks a big game.
Venezuela tiene las reservas de petróleo.
Venezuela has the largest oil reserves on planet Earth, the socialist president boasted earlier this year. But the mineral wealth hasn't led to economic riches in this South American economy. To understand why, experts say, look at PDVSA. Venezuela's government-run oil company is barely chugging along after years of socialist policies implemented by the late Hugo Chavez.
PDVSA used to be the crown jewel in the Venezuelan economy, but since Chavez came to power in 1999, there's been tremendous mismanagement, tremendous corruption, and lack of investment.
Larger market forces are also at play. Oil accounts for 96% of export revenues in Venezuela, and Shifter says the global collapse of oil prices has Venezuela running on fumes.
How much of this problem has to do with the fact that oil prices have gone down so much, and how much is it just about mismanagement and corruption?
I think the oil prices clearly have made the situation much worse, but it doesn't solve the fundamental underlying problem, which is one of mismanagement, of widespread corruption.
And then there's the issue of subsidies. Venezuelans pay less than 1 cent to fill up. The government picking up the tab to extract, refine, process, and transport the fuel. It's not clear exactly how much this costs, but credible estimates range from $12 and $25 billion a year.
Asked what else he can buy with what he pays for gas, this man in Caracas says absolutely nothing, not even a piece of candy. All of this adds up to a troubling picture both at home and for Venezuela's export markets like the United States.
Given the situation that exists down in Venezuela, which is one of our suppliers, with a very uncertain leadership and a country there in terms of reliance on that, it is in our best interest to strengthen our position.
During his last State of the Union address, President Maduro admitted the sagging oil prices have dealt a blow to his economic plans, but he still tried to give his fellow Venezuelans some hope.
Dios proveerá.
God will provide, Maduro said. Rafael Romo, CNN.
Venezuela's economy is suffering extreme inflation. Just how extreme? Its currency is now so worthless that people are using it as napkins. Take a look at this photo, which went viral on Reddit. It shows a man wrapping his empanada, a Latin American meat turnover, in a $2 bill. And he may be onto something. This is the unofficial exchange rate used by most Venezuelans. It has skyrocketed over 700% in the last 12 months. You can see there, $1 equaled 82 bolivars just a year ago. Now a dollar is worth some 676. That means holding food with a $2 note could cost you literally less than a penny.